1. Hook automated deployments promise speed and efficiency, but they can still break production. Ever wonder why? Let's dive into the reasons and how to safeguard your applications. These factors can turn your automated deployment from a blessing into a curse. 3. The simple explanation: think of automated deployments like a well-oiled machine. Each part should work smoothly. But if one component fails, the entire system can break down. Code changes, configuration settings, and third-party services all interact in complex ways. If even one element isn't in sync, the whole deployment may fail. To keep everything running, you need to manage dependencies, ensure quality in testing, and maintain an accurate production environment. 4. Real-world example: let's look at a startup called Appify. They had a promising new feature ready to roll out. The team spent weeks coding and testing in their staging environment. Confident in their automated deployment pipeline, they pushed the new release. Within 30 minutes, users reported issues. The app was slow and, in some cases, unresponsive. This led to a 20% drop in user engagement and cost the company about $15,000 in lost revenue that day alone. What went wrong? The team didn't account for a third-party API change that only surfaced in production. Their automated tests didn't simulate actual user load, and they overlooked a crucial configuration difference between staging and production. 5. What to do instead to prevent these issues: follow this step-by-step framework. Step 1. Know your dependencies. Identify all external services your application interacts with. Use a dependency management tool to keep track of changes. Step 2. Mirror production. Ensure your staging environment matches production as closely as possible. Use the same versions of databases, libraries, and services. Step 3. Implement robust testing. Include load tests that simulate real user traffic. Automate integration tests to cover all critical paths. Use canary deployments to roll out features gradually. Step 4. Monitor post-deployment. Set up real-time monitoring for key performance indicators. Use alerting tools to notify your team of any anomalies immediately. Step 5. Rollback strategy. Always have a rollback plan in place. Keep previous versions readily available to restore quickly. Document the rollback process to reduce confusion during a crisis. 6. Common mistakes. Here are 5 common mistakes that can derail automated deployments, along with fixes for each. Mistake 1. Ignoring environment differences. Fix. Use infrastructure as code to maintain consistency. Tools like Terraform or AWS CloudFormation can help. Mistake 2. Inadequate testing. Fix. Invest time in comprehensive testing. Make sure to include unit tests, integration tests, and load tests in your C/CD pipeline. Mistake 3. Lack of monitoring. Fix. Implement monitoring solutions like Datadog or New Relic to keep an eye on performance in real time. Mistake 4. Insufficient documentation. Fix. Document every deployment process and update it regularly. This helps new team members understand the workflow. Mistake 5. Not training the team. Fix. Conduct regular training sessions. Make sure everyone knows the tools and processes well to minimize human error. 7. Quick checklist before you hit the deploy button. Run through this quick checklist. Have you documented all dependencies? Is your staging environment identical to production? Are your tests comprehensive and up to date? Do you have monitoring in place? Is your rollback strategy clear and accessible? 8. Summary plus CTA. Automated deployments are powerful but can lead to disasters if not properly managed. By understanding your dependencies, mirroring production, implementing robust testing, monitoring closely, and having a solid rollback strategy, you can minimize the risk of breaking production. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment with your own experiences or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech insights. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.